health and safety? What health and safety? You need to wear a hard hat when you're working on a roof. It's wear your sun hat because it's hot out there.
Throw stuff down randomly into the street.
Yeah, it's hot out there. Wear your sun hat.
Atlantic City. And funnily enough, that's the Atlantic. And yeah, well, that's the city. Yeah. Clever title. Very overcast, but it's still about 82, 83 today.
Yeah, it's 90 by 3 o'clock.
Yep. Yes, it must be 90 by 3 o'clock, Elizabeth just said. Yesterday they were telling us it was National French Friday, and today it's National Mac and Cheese Day. So yeah, I mean, I think there obviously might be some restaurants behind this. See Hard Rock in the distance, Bailey's, Tropicana, and the pier. Got the boardwalk. Put your feet up.
You say handstands.
Yeah, so
he's doing handstands.
He's doing handstands.
It's like a little kid, can't you?
Yeah, yes.
Crazy golf. Crazy miniature golf. Don't know what it is.
That frame there. It says there, that's where the whole Miss America fashion.
Big Tropicana.
Don't know how well you get in this, but this is like a enclosed pier. It don't go very far out. Probably go to the water's edge, but it's part of Caesar's Palace. Just don't walk around Caesar's Palace. You can't film a lot of Caesar's Palace. We've taken some photos, we've taken film where we can, but out of respect, we did ask.
The security guard.
Yeah, we asked security. Said, yeah, how much can and can't we film? He said, you're alright to film and take photos, but just don't get the kind of slot machines close up. So we've hardly got any of the slot machines, just out of courtesy. But we've got some of the interior, and it's quite breathtaking actually. Right, we'll carry on. Catch you later. There you go. Elizabeth. This is Rainforest Cafe on the boardwalk at Atlantic City. Taking a little while to get notice for a drink. I think they were a little bit nose to put out. We didn't buy alcohol and we weren't buying food, but I'm afraid it's hot outside, so c'est la vie.
Yes, we've got a cherry.
So we'll go for one of those. So I'll zoom in. Bally Casino up there, but I don't barely think we're going up there.
No. Not come back to it.
You can have too. Yeah, you can have too much of a good thing.
Yeah.
You don't want to spoil ourselves, so I think we'll get down the other way.
Yeah. We've really enjoyed it, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
Caesar's been good actually.
Yeah, Caesar's been good.
Very good.
Wait.